Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add float up animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add float up animation. At first, select any object. Now I am select the text box. Then go to the animation menu. Now we can see here many effect or animation. Click the drop down menu and go to the more entrance effect. Now we can see here more effect. Now I am select the float up. Then we can see here we added float up. Click OK. Then select another object and go back again the more entrance effect and choose the select float up option. Then click OK. Now we want to see the preview at once. Select the preview option and check the preview. You can increase or decrease the duration of the animation. Select the object and increase the duration. You can see here the duration. Otherwise change the option one click with previous or after previous. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.